Visual grids bring clarity and structure to designs that might otherwise feel scattered. Today, how to create visual grids. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a structured grid frame layout and stretch it evenly across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each section, adjusting crops consistently. Increase spacing slightly to create clean gaps between frames. Select the background and apply a light neutral tone. Use position tools like Tidy Up to ensure perfect alignment across all elements. Add small text labels if needed, keeping typography minimal. This visual grid system creates a clean and highly organized design.